Hello, if you were not in class today, this is how to make up the work that we did. So you want to open up your daily agenda. And find today's date. Take note of the reminders on here. All late work for first quarter is due by Friday, the 30th at midnight. And if you weren't here the last day of last week, yesterday you missed a quiz, the Soapstone quiz that is in the classroom tab. Don't forget to take that before Friday at midnight as well. So what we did today in class was this Pear Deck called How to Be a Person. I did a teacher-led version of it during class, but for the purposes of makeup, I am posting an asynchronous student-paced activity on the classwork tab. So if you click over to your classwork tab, just for reference, this is the Soapstone quiz. If you didn't do that, please make sure you do it. And right underneath that, you will see How to Be a Person. With only do this if you didn't do it with me in class. So if you were here in class, you do not do it again. If you need the Spanish version, that is a separate Pear Deck. Same questions, all translated. So you can feel free to click on that one if you want the Spanish version. And as long as you complete all the questions in the Pear Deck, I should be able to see them on my dashboard, and then you are done for the day.